Spring is here, and our team at Porsche Center Oakville want to provide you with some tips for the road ahead. Whether you're navigating spring showers or gearing up for summer road trips, our Porsche certified technicians can provide you with the essential services that keep your Porsche running smoothly this season. First up, tires and alignments. Porsche's performance capabilities are best supported by seasonally appropriate tires. Using the right tires for the season helps prevent undue wear on suspension and braking systems. We will check tire balancing and perform an alignment inspection to make sure your Porsche handles spring's changing road conditions. Second, brakes and suspensions. Winter driving can accelerate brake corrosion and cause moisture buildup from road salt, affecting braking performances. To ensure optimal performance, we'll inspect your brake pads and rotors, along with verifying that your suspension hasn't been affected by those winter potholes. Third, fluids, wipers, and filters. We check all fluids, top up washer fluid, and inspect wipers. More importantly, with spring comes pollen, which can easily clog a cabin filter. Changing it at the beginning of the season helps ensure that pollen, dust, and other allergens are filtered out more effectively, keeping you and your passengers more comfortable. At Porsche Center Oakville, our Porsche certified technicians will ensure your vehicle is ready this spring season. For complete luxury and convenience, we have express check-in, complimentary loaner vehicles, valet service, and complimentary interior and exterior cleaning. Keep your Porsche running smoothly this spring with our expert spring service inspection. Schedule your appointment today.